There's more than one way to draw a mouse, but this is my favorite. It has just enough detail to look realistic, but not so much as to get frustrating for young artists. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. My favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The supplies you need to make this mouse drawing are a pencil, black marker, crayons, and drawing paper. You can also find a link to the step-by-step tutorial that I'm going to use in the description below. Now, I have made some center pencil guidelines on my paper, but you can also just fold and crease your paper in half too to make some creased lines to follow. Step number 1. The first thing to draw is the shape of the mouse head. I'll make a mark where I plan to start, then draw a line up and across the forehead, around the nose, and then back down to the neck. Step number 2, now we can add a body below the head, and it does angle a little bit to the left. Start at the neck, draw down, make a large curve that comes around for the belly, and then goes back up and connects to the other side of the head. Step number 3, it's time to add the ears. Let's start with the one that's facing us. Draw the C shape that has a similar shape inside. Then draw what you see of the ear that's facing the other direction on the other side of the head. And then when you're done, be sure to erase the line that's inside that first ear. We want it to look like the ear's in front of the body. Step number 4, to finish the face, we can just draw a large eye that has a round shape inside it, a little curved line to make the nose, and then a few more lines to make some whiskers. Step number 5, let's go on to drawing the arm that's closest to us. Start with one side and add the fingers at the end, and then draw the other side of the arm. When you're done, be sure to erase the line that's inside it so the arm looks like it's in front of the body. Step number 6. Now, most of the other arm doesn't show. We just need to draw up hand right where I'm placing it. Step number 7. Now, the back mouse leg has a round shape where it attaches to the body, so let's draw that line first. And just be sure to make it as large as I'm doing it here. To finish the legs, we just need to add 2 feet that are coming out from underneath the body. Step number 8. Now we can just add a tail. It curves a little to the left and then to the right and does have a pointy end. Now, to add a little background to our mouse picture, I'm going to draw a horizon line and then some curves that would be like the grass or a tree line. Step number 9. All right, the pencil drawing is done. We just need to trace all of those pencil lines with a black marker. And when the tracing is done, it's a good idea to take a minute to erase any pencil lines that might still be showing. Now it's time to bring out those crayons. I want my mouse to have a white belly, so I'm going to draw a line that divides the white from the golden color and then fill in the gold. Some peach color will be used for the hands, the feet, tail, ear, and nose. Then the area around the mouse is going to be a bright green to look like grass. That far tree line is light green. And the sky I'm going to make blue. All right, and that is the last of the blue sky to finish my drawing. I hope you like how your mouse drawing turned out too. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more animal drawing lessons, including one for a butterfly and an elephant. Over the years, I'm happy to say my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Thank you for joining me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified as soon as I post a new video.